Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect a sign-up form to Mailchimp in WordPress. This is a powerful way to grow your email list directly from your website, allowing you to capture leads and build your audience automatically. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. This is where you'll create and configure your sign-up form before embedding it into your WordPress site. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your email address and password to access your Mailchimp dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on your Mailchimp dashboard where all your email marketing tools are housed. Direct your attention to the left navigation panel and locate the option labeled Forms. Click on it, and an expanded menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Other Forms. This section gives you access to different form types that you can create and embed across various platforms. Now, from the selection that appears, click on Embedded Form. This is the form type that's designed specifically to be placed on websites like WordPress. At this point, you'll be required to enter a name for your form. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify it later, especially if you plan to create multiple forms. Once you've entered the name, click on Continue to Builder to move forward with the setup. You're now in the Form Builder where the real customization happens. To start personalizing your form, click on Form Fields located at the top left corner of your screen. This section allows you to control what information you collect from your subscribers. You'll see a list of available fields such as email address, first name, last name, phone number, and more. Add the fields you want to capture by toggling the button next to each one. Consider what information is essential for your campaigns without overwhelming your visitors with too many fields. Once you're satisfied with the customization and have selected all the fields you need, click on Continue. This takes you to the next stage of the process where your form is finalized and prepared for embedding. You'll now be directed to the Embed page. Here, you can preview how your sign-up form will look and function. More importantly, you'll see the embedded code for the sign-up form you just created. This code is what connects your form to your WordPress site. Simply copy this code, then head over to your WordPress dashboard. Paste it into a page, post, or widget area where you want the form to appear, and you're all set. Your sign-up form is now live and ready to capture subscribers directly into your Mailchimp audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.